Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Boss. It is Friday, woo woo! So, I am super excited because I have my first official request. So, Dolores, this one is for you. I'm gonna do a geode with a bunch of shades of blue. I ended up getting pigments that were on Amazon. I'll try to find a link for you guys. And they actually had 4 different shades of blue. And then I also got a like glow in the dark one. So we'll see how that one turns out. But I'm excited because this one's gonna be a triptych. Is that how you say it? Triptych, which is on 3 separate pieces. So I have my ceramic tiles bunched together and I'm gonna make a different style of geode. I'm not gonna do the normal pour straight into the same spot. So stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so now the hard part's out of the way. The freaking mixing. That's honestly the only part that I like dread is having to mix the resin together. Everything else is, you know, freaking awesome. So, I have all these super cool colors to work with. They look amazing. I tried to show you guys on camera. I don't know how it came across or what it looks like for you guys, but seriously, these look so pretty. They look like metallics. They're super pretty. I do recommend re-stirring before pouring though, because it seems like they kind of settle a bit. So I'll just hopefully have to remember that. But this is what I do for my triptychs. I put everything together. It'll still leak in the middle a little bit, but not too much. And the best way is to be able to draw it out, but I can't draw on ceramic, so really I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And with this one, you just kind of want to pour how you want your geode to look, okay? And then you can use popsicle sticks or whatever you want to be able to play around and smooth it out a little bit. So make sure you have plenty readily available to mess around. Ooh, this is pretty. I love it. Okay, there we go. So really the idea initially is just to get that first layer down, because you can always pour more later. And that way you have the formation of your geodes started. Then you can start taking each color, which I have absolutely no plan whatsoever on how I'm doing this. So I'm just gonna kind of drizzle my glitter, right? Because this is clear. And so you don't want the clear to show through the ceramic tile. So that's why I'm just drizzling it on top of another color to create that outer edge. So you can even see the clear coming through, so yeah. I still think it looks awesome. Okay. Then you can just keep working out. Figure out what you want next. I'm gonna go ahead and do this really pretty greenish blue. And you wanna be pretty careful with how you're pouring, because you are pouring it right next to the other resin. So I leave a little bit of space if I can. go. And I'm gonna jump right into my white because I'm gonna show you guys something that I started doing with my acrylic that I think is gonna just add to the exciting geode effect with the resin. And that's taking a popsicle stick with two colors and mixing them. Just going back and forth to create a really cool texture. Oh my goodness, look at that. So it does work with resin too. Boom, so pretty. All right, and of course, while the resin is nice and fresh, it's still extremely fluid, which is very helpful for this. And then you can just jump right into the next color. I'm gonna do the light blue, I think. No, let's do glitter. So this glitter I'm gonna go ahead and pour straight out because this is a really strong color. There we go. Yeah, look at this. So pretty, so pretty. And you can of course tape this off. I know I had another suggestion about damming things, and you could tape it off. I just kind of jump into things and don't do what I should because I'm very impatient. So yeah, if you have the patience to dam it off, by all means do it. It'll help you save resin. Kind of wait for it to, you know, harden a little bit before you take it off. That would probably help out a lot. There we go, filling up my spaces. Get another pretty color going on in there. Oh, this one's just so cool. Reminds me of like a shimmery, elegant nightgown. And this one I'm just gonna go ahead and pour right next to that blue. And I'm gonna get one more color in here and I'm gonna do that texture again. Let's do that white again. Okay, popsicle stick, and we're gonna bring all of these around. Nice and crazy. Be a little cray cray, okay? We need it in our lives. Oh, it's so pretty, I love it. Okay, I wanna bring this color back. I really wish I had more of that color actually. I might make more because it's really pretty. So I'm gonna pour some more here. And if you pour a little crazy, it adds some extra effects in there as well. Bubble. Bring it right back out here. There we go. Just helping it touch. Ooh, this is pretty. I like it. All right, let's jump back into the same lines then, because I think this is really cool. Maybe just throw some a little bit heavier right there. You know, I think this green glitter would look pretty mixed with another color. So I might do that next time I use this one. But this one didn't seem to take over the resin too much. Not like my other glitters have that you guys have seen. And I know that the light color ones, like white and light blue, those ones don't take well to resin at all. So don't waste your time trying to mix those because you'll just pour and waste a lot of glitter. Let's go back into this color. I think I got it all. And some white. Where'd that white go? Right here. This one, I'm just gonna kind of drizzle and allow it to snake throughout. Notice how it's just fun to create different texture throughout your geode. Be a little crazy with it. You can even blow too. That will work. It's not as surefire though, so just be careful with that. There we go. Glitter! Lots of glitter! Does anyone else like friggin' love glitter like me? I literally have to put glitter in like everything. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, now let's finish off. No, let's get some more of this blue in here. I'll try to show you guys the blowing that I meant. There we go. Get this cool transparent blue in here. Okay, so if you are gonna blow, you definitely wanna have a straw so you can get a specific angle. It just kind of adds a little something something. All right, check that out. I love it. I think I'm gonna try to connect this a little bit more though, because it kind of lost itself. So I'm gonna pour some more going directly into my other ones. And I did show you guys those super awesome sparkly rhinestones that I got. So I'm gonna be using those. And I just kind of embed them into my resin. So I'm gonna take my gloves off. And I'm just gonna line them out, probably right here. Yeah, so you can see that glitter and you can see the rhinestones. Okay, and I'll do it on this one too. Uh-oh,